Today we're going to go over the first steps and documents that you might need to start your lash business. My name is Katie from Beautiful Wandz, and I help lash artists just like you build your business and your skills. So before you jump into your lash business, you need to make sure that you follow these simple steps. You need to get an EIN number, you need to apply for your LLC or your S corporation, and you need to make sure that you have your salon license. So the first thing that you might want to get while opening your lash business is an EIN number. So an EIN number is not required in order to run your business, but it is very important if you plan on opening a bank account or any legal documents with your business name. An EIN number is basically like a social security number for your business. You would go to the IRS website and easily apply for it with your name and your business entity. They would then assign a number to you that you could provide with all your legal documents when you want to get a bank account, when you want to open up a business. You take this number and it's basically like the social security number for your business. Step 2, filing for your LLC. When you file to become an LLC, you are creating a different entity from yourself and your business. So that means if for some reason you get sued, your personal being and your business are two separate things. You can also file taxes separately with your business and with your LLC. So applying for an LLC online protects you, protects your business, and helps you grow. Step 3, check with your state to see what type of licensing you may need. Cosmetology license, esthetician license, or depending on the state that you're in, just a special lashing license. If you want more information on business legalities, we have this book by Sandra, Lash 411, where she goes over business formation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you stay tuned for more from Lash Executives, where we go over lots of tips and tricks on how to build your business, from picking the best products, building your salon, setting up Squarespace. Make sure that you subscribe down below. This has been Katie from Beautiful Wandz. Stay beautiful. If you want more and also, what else are we doing? What's the other one?